Hey everyone! In today's video, we're comparing Descript, CapCut, and Premiere Pro in 2026 to find the best AI editor you can use as your main and only editing tool. Let's get into it. First, Descript is great for text-based editing. You edit videos by editing words, and it's super fast for talking videos, but it's limited for advanced visuals. Next, CapCut is the easiest all-in-one option. It has AI captions, effects, templates, and quick editing tools. It's perfect for short videos and beginners because everything is simple and fast in one place. Then, Premiere Pro is the most powerful. It gives full professional control, advanced editing, and high-quality results, but it takes time to learn and is not beginner-friendly. So which one should you use? If you want one simple AI editor for everything, go with CapCut. It's fast, free-friendly, and has the best balance of AI tools and ease of use. Descript is more niche, and Premiere Pro is for professionals. But for most creators in 2026, CapCut is the best all-in-one choice. And that's the comparison. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.